The Lincoln Continental is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American luxury, innovation, and timeless elegance. Since its inception, the Continental has represented the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship, blending cutting-edge technology with a design that exudes sophistication and power. It is a vehicle that has not only shaped the automotive industry but also left an indelible mark on American culture, becoming a favorite among presidents, celebrities, and everyday drivers who appreciate its unique blend of style and performance. The story of the Lincoln Continental begins in the late 1930s, when Edsel Ford, the son of Henry Ford, envisioned a car that would redefine luxury. Inspired by European design trends, Edsel wanted to create a vehicle that was both elegant and powerful, a car that would stand out in a crowded market. The result was the first Lincoln Continental, introduced in 1939 as a custom-built vehicle for Edsel himself. Its sleek, streamlined design, suicide doors, and understated elegance immediately caught the attention of the automotive world. The Continental was unlike anything else on the road, and it quickly became a status symbol for the elite. Throughout the 1940s and 1950s, the Lincoln Continental continued to evolve, solidifying its reputation as a luxury icon. The post-war era saw the introduction of the Continental Mark II in 1956, a car that was designed to compete with the finest European luxury vehicles. With its handcrafted body, powerful V8 engine, and meticulous attention to detail, the Mark II was a masterpiece of American engineering. It was a car that demanded attention, not just for its performance but for its sheer beauty. The Mark II was a statement of intent, a declaration that American automakers could produce vehicles that rivaled the best in the world. The 1960s marked a golden era for the Lincoln Continental. The fourth-generation Continental, introduced in 1961, is perhaps the most iconic iteration of the model. With its clean, minimalist design, suicide doors, and advanced features like power windows and air conditioning, the 1961 Continental was a car ahead of its time. It was also a car that captured the spirit of the era, embodying the optimism and ambition of the 1960s. The Continental became a favorite among celebrities and politicians, including President John F. Kennedy, who used a specially modified Lincoln Continental as his presidential limousine. The car's association with the Kennedy administration only added to its mystique, cementing its place in American history. But the Lincoln Continental was more than just a luxury car, it was a cultural icon. It appeared in movies, television shows, and music videos, becoming a symbol of success and sophistication. The Continental's distinctive design and luxurious features made it a favorite among Hollywood stars, who often used it as a statement of their status and wealth. The car's popularity extended beyond the United States, with international buyers drawn to its unique blend of American style and European-inspired design. The Continental was a car that transcended borders, becoming a global symbol of luxury and prestige. The 1970s and 1980s saw the Lincoln Continental adapt to changing times. As the automotive industry shifted focus to fuel efficiency and safety, the Continental evolved to meet these new demands. While some critics argued that the car lost some of its distinctive character during this period, it remained a popular choice among luxury car buyers. The introduction of features like electronic fuel injection, advanced suspension systems, and improved safety features ensured that the Continental remained competitive in a rapidly changing market. Despite these changes, the car retained its core identity as a symbol of American luxury and innovation. In the 1990s and early 2000s, the Lincoln Continental faced new challenges as competition from European and Japanese luxury brands intensified. However, the Continental continued to innovate, introducing new technologies and design elements that kept it relevant in a crowded market. The 1995 redesign, for example, brought a more modern and aerodynamic look to the Continental, while still retaining the elegance and sophistication that had defined the model for decades. The car's interior was also upgraded, with premium materials and advanced features that catered to the needs of modern luxury car buyers. The Lincoln Continental's legacy is not just about its design and performance, it is also about the people who have owned and driven it. From presidents to celebrities to everyday drivers, the Continental has been a car that inspires passion and loyalty. It is a car that represents the best of American ingenuity and craftsmanship, a vehicle that has stood the test of time and continues to captivate new generations of drivers. The Continental is more than just a car, it is a piece of American history, a symbol of the country's ability to innovate and excel in the face of challenges. In recent years, Lincoln has continued to honor the Continental's legacy while embracing the future. The 2017 reintroduction of the Continental marked a new chapter in the car's storied history. With its bold design, advanced technology, and luxurious features, the new Continental is a car that pays homage to its predecessors while looking ahead to the future. It is a car that combines the best of American luxury with cutting-edge innovation, offering drivers a unique blend of style, performance, and comfort. The new Continental is a testament to Lincoln's commitment to excellence, a reminder that the brand continues to push the boundaries of what a luxury car can be. The Lincoln Continental's impact on the automotive industry cannot be overstated. It has set the standard for luxury cars, influencing the design and engineering of countless vehicles over the decades. Its timeless design and innovative features have made it a favorite among car enthusiasts and collectors, who appreciate its unique blend of style and performance. The Continental's influence extends beyond the automotive world, shaping the way we think about luxury and elegance. It is a car that has become a cultural icon, a symbol of success and sophistication that transcends generations. As we look to the future, the Lincoln Continental remains a shining example of American innovation and craftsmanship. It is a car that has evolved with the times, adapting to changing trends and technologies while staying true to its core values. The Continental is a reminder that luxury is not just about opulence, it is about attention to detail, a commitment to excellence, and a passion for creating something truly special. It is a car that continues to inspire, a vehicle that represents the best of what American automakers can achieve. In conclusion, the Lincoln Continental is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American luxury, innovation, and timeless elegance. From its humble beginnings in the 1930s to its modern-day iterations, the Continental has been a vehicle that captures the imagination and inspires passion. It is a car that has shaped the automotive industry and left an indelible mark on American culture. The Lincoln Continental is a testament to the power of innovation and the enduring appeal of great design. It is a car that will continue to captivate and inspire for generations to come.